What's up, guys? I'm here with my first unboxing. This is my first Erin Condren order. Sometimes the best thing you can do is not think, not obsess, just breathe. Why fit in when you were born to stand out? Okay, so we got Party Pops pens, Do It All dots. Got some washi tape. We got some elastic bands. I got the Crafty Clutch bundle, which comes with a few sticker books, some sticky dots, coil clip connectors,
a new mouse pad. This is an extra cover, and so the adventure begins.
And for the planner, I love it. Isn't it beautiful? Believe you can and you will, with my name. Oh. Okay, so the planner comes with this ruler that you can take out of the coils and then put in whatever page you're using. And then there's really cool inspirational quotes at the beginning of each month. Then we got the month overview. At the end of December, we have a few blank pages. And then they included some free stickers. Birthdays, appointments, and then even some blank ones that I can write on. Perpetual calendar, which is cool. And then another little pouch with more goodies. Love it. So yeah, that is my first order. I cannot wait to start planning.
Thank you for watching my first unboxing. Danke!